Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A very pleasant good afternoon to you guys. Today I'm going to be making Sal Sev with this split piece, the split piece one. All we need is this bowl right here. The split piece, it have all the ingredients, but of course I'm going to add some fresh garlic and some pepper sauce to make it more tasty. Alright, so let's get going. Okay guys, so we're getting ready. We're gonna place the chickpeas inside, the chickpeas powder inside. I'm not sure how much we're gonna make yet. So guys, after pouring in all the chickpeas powder, I'm gonna simply go ahead and add in some fresh garlic. Put a little bit more so you can give it a nice taste, and some fresh pepper. Okay, I'm gonna also go ahead and add in some 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Okay, put a little bit more. Give that a nice stir. So I'll simply place some water inside there and give it a nice stir. And I'm gonna add some salt for taste. It's coming along nicely. So guys, the oil is already ready and we're putting the Sal Sev inside of the fire. Look at that. So guys, look at this. Wow, nicely done. Okay, so this set is finished, guys. Look at that. Outdoor cooking. Don't mind my car here. My big sister gave me this car here from upstate New York. So guys, this is the finished product of the Sal Sev, or the chicken foot with the dal split piece powder. I'm gonna plate it and show you guys how it looks. So guys, here you have it. I break up the Sal Sev, and this is when I plate it. This is what it looks like. Beautiful, very tasty. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.